Hi there, and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at the Grayscale Ethereum Trust. This is ticker ETHE. Now, this trades over OTC, so not everyone can trade it, but if you're interested in Bitcoin and Ethereum, this is one of the ways that you can get access to the digital asset space. Now, while GBTC, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, has really kind of been the belle of the ball with a clear breakout out of this consolidation pattern, Ethereum, the Ethereum Grayscale Trust, is still just kind of going sideways here. And so I definitely think this is one to watch for a potential breakout above this clear level right there, right around 12.20 or just around that level, maybe 12.17. Have an alert right there and look for a strong move through coming on volume. Now, I know crypto isn't everyone's cup of tea, but all I'm saying is the Grayscale Ethereum Trust looks a heck of a lot better than Goldman Sachs right now. So is Ethereum the future of finance? I don't know, but the chart looks a heck of a lot better than a lot of the banks right now. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades, and be sure and check out what we're up to at StockMarketMentor.com. I'll tell you this, it's not a lot right now in these market conditions, but it's a great time to scope out relative strength with charts like this. I'll see you next time.